The Shipping Bar widget is a progress bar that shows the target amount of money a customer needs to spend to get free shipping from the store. It displays the progress towards the free shipping threshold determined based on the current cart amount. It's a pro feature of Happy Addons and is 100% compatible with WooCommerce. To get started with it, you need to install and activate the free versions of Elementor and Happy Addons on your WooCommerce site. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification icon to get time-to-time updates. Let's get started. First, you need to set up the WooCommerce shipping zone and shipping method as it's connected to the WooCommerce shipping. For that, go to WooCommerce settings and tap on the shipping. Here, add the shipping zone name and zone region. Next, add the shipping method and choose the shipping type. You can see the shipping zone in the list. Now, it's time to set the shipping requirements. Here, click on the Edit option and set the shipping requirement to a minimum order amount and the minimum order amount. Then hit the Save button. You're all set. Now open the Elementor editing option and add the widget here. After that, you'll get a default view. Click on the Shipping Bar option. Here you can select the layout, alignment, announcement copy, target amount position, and link text. You can show or hide the shipping bar appearing on the front end from here. Also, you can set the shipping method, progress type, success message, animation speed, and dismissibility. You can make the bar sticky and position it depending on your website structure. Next, click on Style to stylize the widget. Here you'll find the shipping bar to stylize. You can adjust the size, background color type, background color, padding, border radius, announce text color, link text color, and typography. Similarly, you can check out the gradient color section to add more color gradients to the shipping bar widget. Click on the progress bar to stylize it. Here you can adjust the text color, typography, background type, background color, border radius, spacing, and progress option. Lastly, you can stylize the dismissible icon. Click on it and adjust its size, color, and XY position. Preview it, and you can see that the shipping bar is appearing. Now add the product to your cart. The shipping bar is working. Congrats! You've unlocked free shipping. So this is how you can use the Shipping Bar widget of Happy Addons on your Elementor-powered e-commerce site. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe and follow our social channels for more information and regular tutorial videos like this one. Stay tuned!